Hello, today we are going to talk about Pearson and Excel, International Advanced Level, Physics, Unit 1, Mechanics and Materials, 1.3, Mechanics, 1.3.6, Adding Vectors. There are two methods you can use to add vectors. First one is calculation. This should be used when the two vectors are perpendicular to each other. In this method, you use Pythagoras theorem to find the magnitude of the vector and trigonometry to find its direction. So for example, two forces are acting perpendicular to each other and have magnitude of 5 Newton and 12 Newton. Find the resultant force and its direction from the horizon. Here you can see 12 Newton to our right hand side and 5 Newton vertically upward. So resultant vector you can see like this, then theta is the angle. To find the resultant magnitude, you can use Pythagoras theorem. Here r square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. R square is equal 169. R is equal 169 square root. R is equal 13 Newton. In order to find its direction, you can use trigonometry. So we know tan theta is equal 5 over 12. So theta, you can get it as 22.6 degree. So direction is 22.6 degree from the horizontal. So it is very important to state how the angle you find signifies the direction. Scale drawing. This should be used when vectors are at right angles other than 90 degrees. So for this method, you draw a scale diagram using a ruler and a protractor in order to find the resultant vector. Make sure to note the scale that you are using in your diagram. For example, a ship travels 30 meters at a bearing of 060 degree, then 20 meters east. Find the magnitude and direction of its displacement from its starting position. Firstly, draw a scale diagram using a ruler and a protractor as shown below. Note in the scale you are using. Here, this is the diagram. So this is a scale. You can see 1 centimeter shows 10 meters. So displacement, when you keep our ruler and we can measure it. Finally, measure the missing side and convert it to the magnitude using your scale and measure the missing angle theta to find the bearing of the displacement. So magnitude, you can see it is 4.9 centimeter. According to the scale, we have to multiply it by 10. So which becomes 49 meters. To scale direction, it is 0.72 degree. So if two vectors are moving in the exact same direction, adding or subtracting them can be done by simply adding or subtracting their magnitudes. Otherwise, they will have to be resolved into their horizontal and vertical components as explained earlier.